best used cars to buy right now under $10,000. For those of you who are hunting for deals on used cars under $10,000, we have some good news. There are several websites that offer the best used cars at reasonable prices. And with a little research, you can find a great deal on a car that fits your needs and budget. In this video, we'll be going over the top 5 best used cars to buy right now under $10,000. We made this list based on reliability, safety, fuel economy, and overall value. So if you're in the market for a new used car, stick around because these are sure to impress. No. 5 2017 Honda Civic Coupe. If you want something stylish, reliable, and fun to drive, look no further than the 2017 Honda Civic Coupe. This car has it all. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and impressive fuel economy, the Civic Coupe is sure to turn heads wherever you go. It comes with a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that gets an impressive 41 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. Plus, it has a continuously variable transmission, which helps you get the most out of your gas mileage. The interior of the Civic Coupe is just as impressive as its exterior. It features a spacious cabin with plenty of room for passengers and cargo, as well as a host of convenient features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a rear-view camera, and a premium sound system. Safety features include a collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, and a lane departure warning system. Prices start at $9,000 for a base model with 68 horsepower, but prices will vary depending on the mileage and condition of the vehicle. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish used car, the 2017 Honda Civic Coupe is definitely worth considering. Number 4. 2015 Toyota Camry. The 2015 Toyota Camry is a great option for those looking for a reliable and affordable used car. This model is known for its durability and fuel efficiency, making it a popular choice among consumers. It also has a spacious interior and a comfortable ride, making it ideal for families or individuals who need plenty of room for passengers or cargo. No. 3. 2013 Ford Escape. Are you looking for a reliable and affordable SUV? Look no further than the 2013 Ford Escape. This SUV is perfect for anyone who wants a vehicle that can handle any terrain, while still providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Number 2. 2014 Nissan Sentra. The 2014 Nissan Sentra is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable sedan. This compact car offers a lot of features for the price and is known for its comfortable ride and spacious interior. The Sentra comes with a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 130 horsepower and 128 pounds-foot of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, which helps to maximize fuel economy. Speaking of fuel economy, the 2014 Nissan Sentra gets an impressive 29 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This makes it a great option for commuters or anyone who wants to save money on gas. The interior of the Sentra is spacious and comfortable, offering plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. It also comes with a variety of features to make your drive more enjoyable, such as a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system. The 2014 Nissan Sentra is also known for its reliability and safety. It has a good crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and comes with features such as anti-lock brakes, traction control, and an advanced airbag system. Prices for a used 2014 Nissan Sentra range from around $7,000 to $11,000, depending on the mileage and condition of the vehicle. Overall, the 2014 Nissan Sentra is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable sedan. Number 1. 2012 Honda CR-V. The 2012 Honda CR-V is the perfect blend of affordability, reliability, and versatility, making it the best used car under $10,000 in our opinion. With its sleek design, spacious interior, and impressive fuel economy, The CR-V is sure to impress even the most discerning buyers. We hope you enjoyed our video of the top 5 used cars to buy right now, under $10,000. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable used car, any of these options would be a great choice. Remember to do your research and take a test drive before making a purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy car hunting!